How to download Google Maps offline on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your phone. The Google Maps app allows users to navigate, explore, and discover places using real-time traffic data, turn-by-turn directions, and various modes of transportation like driving, walking, cycling, and public transit. Users can also search for places, view details, share locations, and even download offline maps for areas with limited or no internet connectivity. Once you're here, go to the top right corner and tap on your profile. Then, go to Offline Maps. To use Maps offline, start by downloading a map. Then you'll be able to search and get directions offline with that map. Here, tap on Select your own map below. After selecting, tap on Download at the bottom right corner. You'll be notified when the download is complete. You have now successfully downloaded this map. Following these steps, you can easily download Google Maps offline on iPhone.